Nothing better than on a rainy day doing some wiring. Right, time to rewire this, especially the front end, which is the main bit I want to do. I want to install a new switch in the handlebars and get rid of this cluster of wiring down here and just generally tidying everything up. So first thing I'll do, we'll get it all chopped out and start from afresh. I've already disconnected the battery, so we should be safe to go and not catch fire. You can get to fuck. So I've marked and centre punched where I want my first hole, so let's go for it. Little centre drill. Blunt centre drill. Spin that around. Right, it's an M4x7 threaded hole, so we've got to go with a 3.3 drill bit. And a brand new M4 tap, because the last time I did one I snapped one. So 5mm drill to step out. $11mm for the horn. I haven't got 11mm, but I've got some 16s, so that'll do. Next one needs to be 14. I'll go as far as I can with a step drill and then get the rest out with one of my shitty 14 mils that I've got. Just have to deburr everything now.
One eternity later.
Right, I need to put some more holes in for the cables to come out. So big one under here. I also want to do one up here for the brake light as well, for the switch. So I've already marked where the bars sit at the moment, so I can loosen them off and just spin them around in place. So we'll get that done. Right, now to try and thread the wires in. Make life a bit easier. I've got a little bit of lock wire, rounded the end off. There we go, there it is. Need somebody to get hold of it now. Big. Use a hook bit, that might help. Give ourselves a fighting chance. There we go. That's the brakes in. Snips. Where's the snips gone? Where the fuck are they gone? Where I put them? Bear in mind when you do these, you've got two holes, so you need to feed one through the other first. Otherwise you will get a bit unstuck. Just pull that back through there. Get all twisty. There we go. Be careful when you do these as well, just in case you have got any burrs on the inside. Strip the insulation off your cable and have fuses and stuff popping, because that would not be good. Oh, that's a bit tight in there. There we go. A little bit tight, that one. You showed a bit of the plastic off. I'm going to make that hole bigger. Now, imitation Dremel out. Go for it. Righty, let's try again. better. It's a lot better. I might do it actually. Don't leave you a lot of wiggle room on these things. That's my switch in place. Happy with that. Did catch the chrome work a little bit under there. I don't know if you can see it very well because the focus on these GoPros is a bit crap. I've routed all the cabling in as well. Dressed it all in around there. Coming to the bottom of the headlight. And I've also put another couple of cables in for my light for the speedo and the oil pressure warning switch. And the rest of those I'll get wired in on another video. Thanks for watching.